லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க, மட்டும் அந்த பெல் ஐகானை தட்டுங்க.
Hi, I hope all of you are staying home, staying safe, and I hope all of you are doing okay during this lockdown. As it is, we are all going through a pandemic, and it has officially almost ruined 2 years of our lives. And on top of this, when you see news like incidents where teachers are molesting the kids and harassing them, and which they have been doing for years and getting away with it, it is really scary. I have children, and to think the future of my children would be in a world where there are people like this, it is very, very scary for me. So when I thought about it, there's nothing much that we can do to stop these humans, like except if we have a very good legal system which punishes these assholes, if I may say. It's a small word for them. I don't even know what a word to describe people like this. So if we have a really great legal system that can do something to them, then great. But otherwise, there's nothing much that we can do to stop people from thinking like this or acting like this. We can't stop people's thoughts and actions. So the only thing that we can do as parents, like sitting at home, what we can do is give our kids the confidence to speak out when they think or even feel the slightest bit of discomfort or anything that is happening to them, be it school, be it home, be it at a friend's place, or anywhere they go. So the only thing that we can do is educate our children, give them a safe space at home to come and open up to us parents, to tell us even if anything is making them uncomfortable. Give them the confidence to stop if something wrong is happening to them. They need to know that their voice will be heard no matter who is threatening them or who is making to shushing them and who is silencing them. They need to know that their voice will be heard by us parents, because we are their world. So when we give them the confidence, when we give them the acknowledgement that whatever they bring to us will be addressed and will be accepted, if we start that at home, I think kids will definitely open up a lot sooner if such horrible things are happening to them. I can't imagine what those kids would be going through. It's a very scary world as it is. So many horrible things are happening. We don't need such extra things by horrible humans happening to our kids. So all of us are at home. We are all in a lockdown with our kids at home. I think so there's no better time to start than right now. However small they are, with however little you can teach them, in whatever age appropriate manner that you can teach them, please teach your kids. Please make sure you make them aware of such bad things happening around. It is not a very great world, so we might as well tell our children in our own way and educate them in the right way to come open up if they are going through any of it. So that's the best thing that we can do to stop, to make sure our kids are safe. At least they will come and tell us if something bad happens. So that's the least I think we can do right now. So yes, so let's try to get through this horrible phase together. Let's pray there are better people, better things awaiting our kids. There's faith, there's a better future. I know that we will get through this. So let's just all be positive, stay home, stay happy, try to stay happy. Okay, bye-bye. Take care all of you.